National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a flood warning for the Black River at Elyria from Sunday morning until further notice at 11 a.m. Saturday. The stage was 8.9 feet. Minor flooding is forecast. Flood stage is 9.5 feet. The river is forecast to rise above flood stage by Sunday morning and continue to rise to near 10.3 feet by Sunday evening. Additional rises are possible thereafter. At 11.0 feet, flooding begins in low-lying areas near the river in Elyria. Forge Road may be closed for high water. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a flood warning for the Grand River at Paynesville from Sunday afternoon until further notice at 10:30 a.m. Saturday. The stage was 7.1 feet. Minor flooding is forecast. Flood stage is 8.0 feet. The river is forecast to rise above flood stage by Sunday afternoon and continue to rise to near 8.2 feet by Sunday evening. Additional rises are possible thereafter. At 8.0 feet, water levels will overrun the banks along the Metro Park south of Paynesville. Grumman Road will be threatened.